In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use private mode on Grok Ai 2026, step by step. Private mode is designed to give you extra control over what happens to your conversation while you're chatting. Think of it as a focused space where your messages are treated with additional discretion. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to make sure it's on before you start typing. First, open your browser and go to grok.com. Give the page a moment to load fully so the interface is ready. If you land on the home screen, you're in the right place. From here, you'll want to begin a fresh conversation so you can enable private mode from the start. Choose the option to start a new chat. This will create a clean thread for your private conversation. You should see your chat list appear in the left sidebar. This is where your conversations live. If you just created a new one, it will be at the top of that list, ready to go. Click or tap that chat to open it. You'll know you're inside the conversation when you see the message box at the bottom and the chat header at the top. Now we're going to turn on private mode before sending anything. Look to the top right corner of the chat window. That's where the controls for this chat are located. Find the option labeled private. It may appear as a button or a toggle that clearly indicates its state. Click on private to activate it. Once private mode is enabled, Grok will notify you that the chat is private. Watch for a confirmation message, badge, or lock style indicator near the chat header. This is your green light that the setting has taken effect. If you don't see that confirmation, wait a second and check again to make sure it's truly on before proceeding. Now you're ready to type your message. Use the message box at the bottom of the screen to write what you want to discuss. Keep your prompt clear and specific so Grok can give you the most accurate response. When you're happy with your message, send it. Grok will reply right in that same private thread. If your conversation continues, you can keep asking follow-up questions in the same chat without changing anything else. Just keep an eye on the private indicator so you know the setting remains active throughout your exchange. That's it. Go to Grok, start a new chat, open it from the left sidebar, enable private in the top right, confirm the notification, type your message, and send. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more private Grok experience.